Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing really well. So the wait is over, NHTT is around the corner and you all have been so worried about the dates when it's going to happen because of pandemic and everything. And along with you somehow I also got connected and I also started searching for the dates that when it's going to happen, how long it's going to take now. And I couldn't stop myself from making this video for all of you to wish all the very best. Be confident. This is what you've been waiting for so long. So don't lose hope at this moment. Focus on what you have prepared till now instead of thinking कि क्या रह गया है या फिर क्या कितना सिलेबस और हो सकता था. So just focus on what you have already done till now. Don't look at anyone else's preparation. It is your exam. All right. So just be confident. And without wasting much of your time, I would just like to take up two or three questions that a few of you asked me. पहला था कि एग्जाम में हमारे को रफ शीट्स मिलती है कि नहीं मिलती है. हमारे को रफ शीट्स नहीं मिलती हैं. यू कैन आस्क फॉर इट. अगर मिल जाएगी वेल एंड गुड, बट डोंट बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन दैट. यू कैन नॉट टेक एनी शीट्स अलॉन्ग विद यू. बट येस, क्वेश्चन पेपर पे आप न्यूमेरिकल्स वगैरह सॉल्व कर सकते हो. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम इन दैट. सो यू सॉल्व इट ऑन द क्वेश्चन पेपर इटसेल्फ. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. The second query was that what you should do at the very last moment, like before entering the exam. I would only say that keep yourself calm, focus your thoughts into what all you have revised, what all you have studied, instead of just letting your mind race around anxiety and other questions. So आपने जितना भी अभी तक पढ़ा है उसको दिमाग में रखो. Just try not to forget everything. While doing the paper, it happens. So keep yourself calm, don't worry. The other query was that next NHTET कब होगा. So all I can say is यही NHTET होने में काफ़ी time लग गया. So for all those who have missed out filling the application forms this time, please keep yourselves updated on the official NCHM-CT website. So that's it from this video. Again, I would like to wish all of you all the very best. Do well. And still, if you have any query, you may put it in the comment section or you may also connect with me on LinkedIn. Thank you. Take care.